Welcome back. Swachh Panji is the slogan of Congress for Panji by-election. Congress candidate Surendra Furtado filed his nomination on Thursday. GPCC President Luis Falero assured that MLAs along with full party organization will work for Surendra to win this seat. But ironically, except Senior Rane, no Congress MLAs were present at the time of filling nomination. GPCC has decided that Senior Rane will play the role of a coordinator between the Congress MLAs and the Panji candidate, but Rane is not in a mood to do so. Congress has decided to fight this election on garbage issue. Swachh Panji will be the slogan of Congress for this by-poll.
He need not be a rocket scientist to do the development for next years. He requires a heart. That's why I said, let us not have a big ambition of Swachh Bharat. It is Swachh Panjim, and Swachh Panjim.
Surendra Furtado has also assured to start Panji development work, which he claims is held up from last 20 years.
All my cooperators are with me. There's no doubt about it. Babush Musara is with us. His wife is with us. Everybody is with us. They will come at the right time.
Luisino has chalked out detailed plan for campaigning. MLAs and party organization along with executive committee will campaign for Surendra Furtado. Luisin requested opposition leader to involve his MLAs for campaigning, but Senior Rane refused to give assurance about support from all Congress MLAs.
आमचे जे मानेस आमदार हा आणि एक आमदार एक बूथचो हा ताजी चार्ज घेतली म्हणटकूच तांचे कोऑर्डिनेशन आमचो विरोधी पक्ष नेता आमदारांकडे आणि आमचो जो उमेदवार
Sir, have you asked Babush Monserrat your...
I don't have to ask anybody. He is a congressman. So far he is elected on the Congress ticket.
Will he be supporting the candidate, your candidate?
You have to ask the candidates and ask. I mean, this sort of things I am not...
So you cannot assure the support of Babush Monserrat here?
Who am I to assure on somebody else's behalf?
CLP
I am not going to assure anything on anybody else's behalf.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent. Be careful while parking your vehicle in no parking zone in Panji city. Corporation of Panji with traffic police has decided to crack down on undisciplined parking in the city. Commissioner of Panji Sanjit Rodriguez informed that many people park their vehicle in front of fire brigade, hospitals and residential areas, making it inconvenient for smooth vehicular traffic. Most of the roads in Panji city have been notified as no parking zone. Despite of this, many people park their vehicle in no parking zone. Corporation City of Panji along with traffic police has cracked down many times against the violators, but they paid petty fine and ignored the warning. Now, CCP has increased its charges from 250 to 600 rupees, which include towing, claiming and lifting vehicle. In addition, 100 rupees no parking fine is imposed by the traffic police. Sources informed that CCP is getting 45,000 rupees per month from one agency which is appointed by the CCP through tender. Sources informed that despite a warning and charging fine to the violators, people park their vehicles in no parking areas. Many people park their vehicle in front of the fire brigade. Fire officials and people from residential areas have complained to the concerned authorities, but no action has been initiated. Now, CCP along with traffic police has decided to crack down on violators for smooth passage to emergency services, vehicles and commuters. Acting upon the request from CCP, North Goa Collector has notified a no parking zone on both sides of the VS Dampo Marg and both sides of the road facing the Directorate of Fire and Emergency Headquarters up to the Home Science College. Reporter Mahesh Kadi with Omkar Falari for Prudent. Burial of dead animals in residential area at Shantinagar, Vasco has become a reason of worry for many. Residents claim that this has spread fear of epidemic in the area. Animal shelter officials claim that they do not have any other burial ground. But after several complaints and media pressure, Mormugao municipality has assured to stop burial of dead animal in residential area.
The incident came into light on late night on Wednesday when the staff of the animal shelter was found burying rabies-affected dog in the residential area at Shantinagar, Vasco. The work is undertaken by the animal shelter run by the People for Animals in association with Mormugao Municipal Council. Locals complained that it gives foul stink and fear of epidemic in the area.
पूरा बदबू और बैड स्मेल पूरा आता रहता है
आणि हे मी दिसाल सोडून आम्ही ना रात्रीपासून येऊन रात्रीन पुरताय आणि ते सगळे लोक शीक पडतात.
Officials of the animal shelter disclosed that they don't have any other burial site. They want MMC to provide the land for burial.
We cannot bury outside. If they are, if the other dogs digs and eat it, it is not good.
We contacted Mormugao Municipal's chief officer. He assured that the burial of dead animal in the residential area will be stopped.
ताजेर आमी आता चौकशी करतले किंवा आमी इन्स्पेक्शनाक वतले. हांव म्हजो म्युनिसिपल इंजिनियर आनी जेई इन्स्पेक्शन करतले आनी ताजे नंतर आमी योग्य तो निर्णय घेतले. आमचे कडेन जर ब्युरियलूच करपाचें आसत जाल्यार आमी तांकां दुसरी जागा सजेस्ट करपाक शकतात.
Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.